In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to charge iPhone 14 with power bank. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use any power bank to charge your iPhone. Even though I'm using the iPhone 14 as the main example for this video, this exact process will work with any other iPhone model, as long as you use the proper cable, so depending on if you have a USB-C or Lightning port. I'm using this Anker power bank as an example, but once again, any power bank will do. First, make sure that you charge the power bank if it is out of battery. There will be some inputs labeled as input, so you will literally see the word printed here. And if you don't see the word input, just check the manual. This is how you will be charging the power bank. So you connect it into a power outlet and you let it charge. Once it is fully charged, then what you can do now is grab the proper cable for your iPhone model to charge it. So you plug one end of the cable into the power bank. This will usually be USB-A or USB-C. And if you see that you have the option to USB-C, it is usually going to be a little bit quicker. So these technologies from Anker are called IQ and IQ3. So if you are able to use USB-C, but USB-A will also be completely okay to use. The other end of the cable goes into the iPhone or any other device that you would like to charge. And as I've said before, double check your iPhone connection. For newer models, it could be USB-C, but for most people, I believe it is going to be Lightning. So once you have one cable going into the power bank and the other one is plugged into the charging port of your iPhone, the battery from the power bank will be used to charge the iPhone. You will see some sort of change in the LED indicators, and once all of them out, it means that it is sufficiently charged or it drained out the entirety of the power bank. After that, you just charge it by plugging it into a power outlet and repeat the process. I hope I was able to help you on how to charge iPhone 14 with power bank. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.